Hi, today I'm going to tell you when it's best not to use 5S. But before we can talk about when not to use 5S, I want to make sure everybody understands what 5S really is. 5S is a common workplace organization term that simply stands for these 5S words: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Let's get started with the first S, sort. Evaluate the necessary items, remove all the unnecessary tools, sort the good and bad parts, and eliminate the obstacles. The second S is set in order. Arrange all the necessary items in a way so it's easy to find when you need them. This is basically a fancy, less insulting way to say, go organize your stuff. My wife asked me last summer to organize the garage and I hated it. Until I realized we weren't organizing the garage. We were 5S'ing it. It sounds a lot better, right? S number 3, shine. Shine just means clean your workspace. Inspect. Make sure your workplace is clean and safe. The fourth S is standardize. The first 3 S's are pretty self-explanatory, but I don't think a lot of people understand how to standardize. Standardize is very simple, but extremely important. You just want to make sure that all your employees are trained to perform a task without any variation, just like a programmed robot. Make sure all the best practices are in use. The fifth S is sustain. Perform regular audits, train and discipline, have self-discipline, and maintain this proper order. Just FYI, some people add a 6th S, which is safety. These are all very important. I even recommend people implementing 5S before I arrive to solve their problems, because many problems just disappear if you implement 5S. So back to my original question. When not to use 5S? Basically, never. If there's a tornado or elephants charging through your manufacturing plant, then you can throw 5S out the window, but just a few minutes. But otherwise, when should you not be using 5S in a manufacturing facility? In my professional opinion, absolutely never. If you need help implementing 5S in your facility, give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to help you come up with a custom plan of action specific to your facility. Comment below on how 5S has helped you. If you like this video, click subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a great day.